Depending on where you're located, you may not be required to provide harassment training. Whether or not you have to provide harassment training is a function of the law in the state where your business or organization operates. Federal law does not have a requirement. No, it doesn't. It helps you in terms of managing liability to provide harassment training, but the federal government doesn't require it. So you're going to always be looking toward your state laws to determine what it is that you are specifically required to do. But there are a couple of reasons beyond liability management in the sense of what the governments that you're subject to require you to do. First and foremost, it empowers your team. Yes, when you provide harassment training, you should know that people are going to ask hard questions. In particular, if they recognize that there are contradictions between what the training says should be taking place versus what they believe they perceive in the organization. But that's a good thing, because what that does, it gives you the opportunity as an organization to hear those things and to respond to them and to begin to educate your employees about what a right is versus what their opinion and preference is. It gives you the ability to do that. On the other hand, it also helps the organization to improve its culture, because what it does, it makes clear where there may be gaps between some of your policies and what harassment rules require that organizations do. And that gives you another opportunity to communicate clearly to the people on your team what is expected of them and to make it clear what you in fact will do. And last but not least, as a leader of an organization, it becomes clear when you provide harassment training what you value as a leader. Yes, you have a limited number of training dollars, but where you spend them counts, and where you spend them also sends a message.